Chapter 1. Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship, the Nai Ambaton Division. From the first of these wives, Nai Ambaton sprang the marga CP10, of which the ancestral area is the whole northern part of Samosir II and the southerly part of the area along the western shore of Lake Toba in the chart. The head marga Simbolon and Munte, Sitangang and Sigalinging has spread direct from Pangogan over the territories along the west and north coast of the island. The head marga Saragi must initially have gone to Simelungun, northeast coast of Lake Toba, apparently later returned in part and settled down in different parts of the same region. Tamba occupied the territory of the same name or the mainland, while the youngest of the branches has remained, while the older branches went to the northeast corner of the island round about Amberita. Younger and older settlements of all these head marga are to be found on Sumatra's east coast, where Saragi is the ruling marga of the self-governing Graya territory and the small territory within the self-governing Sianta territory. Small branches of Simelungun went to Upper Bagus 12A when they are to be found in the Simbaton, Siadam Hudon, Puso and Simataniari territories. A small part of Sigalinging also went to Upper Bagus, but the greater part went to Salak in the direct country 13. Members of this division are really found southward of Lake Toba.